You're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Louis Pasteur. Today I want to talk to you about the difference between sterilization and pasteurization. And we are starting right away. Welcome back. My name is Louis Pasteur. As I said, please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I want to tell you the difference between pasteurization and sterilization. These terms are microbiology terms. Sterilization is an absolute term. It's an absolute terminology. It's absolute means total. Sterilization means the killing of all, that's why I say it's an absolute term. The killing of all microorganisms that are present in a particular environment. Let's say you have water and you want to sterilize the water. If you are sterilizing the water, you are going to remove all the microorganisms, whether they are harmful or they are beneficial. That is pasteurization. That is sterilization. It's absolute. You have to take out everything without leaving anything, because people mix these two terminologies together. In sterilization, every organism is wiped out, but in sterilization, not all are wiped out. Only the harmful ones are removed. Pasteurization involves removing the harmful organisms from an environment, from a material, from a food, from water, from anything that you talk about, from any individual, from anywhere. So this is the basic difference. In pasteurization, you remove only the harmful. Only the harmful. You leave the beneficial. In the case of sterilization, you take out all the microorganisms. What can we use in pasteurization and in sterilization? In sterilizing equipment, you can use the autoclave. And the principle here is the principle of the moist heat sterilization. In sterilization also, you can use dry heat, where you use the oven. In the autoclave, you have 103 kilopascal for 15 minutes. The pressure builds up to 103 kilopascal, and you allow it to be in that environment for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, that environment or whatever you put in the autoclave will be sterilized. In the case of hot dry heat, you put the item in the autoclave. I beg your pardon, you put the item in the oven, and you raise the temperature, set the temperature at 160 or 170 degrees C for 2 hours, or for 1 hour 30 minutes. After that, every microorganism in there will have been destroyed. Now, you can also use chemicals. You can use different chemicals in the sterilization process. You can use ethanol and many other chemicals. Ethanol depends on the percentage. You can use 70% ethanol, usually used in sterilizing items. But you don't use some of these in sterilizing food. And that is why we talk about pasteurization. You can use pasteurization to sterilize a food. You will not heat it to boiling point, but you will let it be heated for a number of minutes. And then there are many modifications to pasteurization today. There's ultra high temperature pasteurization, there's high temperature pasteurization, and there's sterilization. So there are modifications to both sterilization and pasteurization. So you can read more about that, and to get to know more facts about that. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section below. So today you have seen a difference between sterilization and pasteurization. Sterilization is an absolute term, while pasteurization is not. Bye for now.